Big news for Indian economy. Electronics has now become the India's third largest export category, jumping all the way up from the 7th place. According to the Electronics and IT Minister, Shri Ashwini Vaishnaw, this growth didn't just happen overnight. It's a part of a larger manufacturing evolution driven by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi vision of building full electronic ecosystem right here in India. Here is what really exciting. Let us know. India is now one of the second largest mobile manufacturing country in the whole world. Isn't it surprising? Yes, of course it is. That's a massive when you think about how big the global mobile industry is and how it shows India is no longer just assembling device, we are becoming major maker of them. A key reason behind this growth is PLI scheme for larger scale electronics manufacturing LSEM. It's attracted over 13,475 crore investment and helped generate 9.8 lakh crore so far. The scheme has boosted jobs, manufacturing and export, creating more than 1.3 lakh jobs in the last 5 years. Isn't that surprising? Yes, it's too good. But that's not all. The electronic component manufacturing scheme is now supporting deeper growth. 249 applications, 1.115 lakh crore committed investment, over 10.34 lakh crore expected production and 1.42 lakh jobs. Yes, you heard that right. This is the largest investment commitment ever in India electronic sector, providing the global manufacturing have real confidence in India. And on top of that, 10 semiconductor units have already been approved, within 3 already in pilot and early production. Over the last 10 years, electronic manufacturing has helped create 25 lakh jobs, that real economic growth at the grassroots. As semiconductor and component manufacturing continues to scale up, job creation will accelerate even more faster. And the best part, okay, I tell you, thanks to the Make in India initiative, production is growing across finished products and component, exports are rising. The third thing is global players are more confident than ever. Indian companies are becoming more competitive and employment opportunities are expanding across the board. This is too good for India. And I want to say, at last, India is no longer just buying the electronics from exporters. India is making and exporting them at a massive scale. This is the best part of India. Let's make our country great again.